Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to find and join Telegram channels without invite links. Okay, so first up, you have the Telegram app right here. Just open it up. Use the search bar. For example, you'd like to join food channels. Well, just type down food. And then here you should be able to see a ton of search results. You can go ahead and tap on show more. And here you have some channels. Okay, so just tap on one and just join. Now, another option is by going to external channel directories and search engines. You can just go ahead over to your favorite browser, okay, and type down Telegram channels, for example, for movies, just like so. Hit on enter, and you should be able to see a ton of indirect links right here where you can go ahead and join. Okay, just tap on it and tap on join. But the most effective way to find one is by just typing site:/t.me and then space, this one, site:/t.me space the topic. Let's say movies. Hit on enter, and here you have a ton of Telegram channels where you can just go ahead and join. And there you have it. Just tap on one, and then it will open up an invite link. Okay, just what you got to do is just tap on join. And that is how you find and join Telegram channels without invite link. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.